Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to restart the kernel. So there are two ways we will going to discuss, and this is the quick and short session related to the Jupyter notebook, and this will be helpful for you guys during the Python execution. So let's see that. So in previous session, we already discussed different error types you will face during the Python execution and how to resolve those errors. So if you are not aware about those concepts, then please check my previous videos. So let's start with the today's session. So in previous video, we created this file. So let me open this. So you can see that whatever the outputs we have seen, so we have seen the lot of errors in the previous session, like name error, syntax error, indentation error, type error. So everything you can see here. Suppose I'm making some changes and I want to execute the entire course at the one. Then how to do that? So let me make some changes. For example, here I'm adding the colon so we will not get the syntax error. Here I'm making these changes so that we will not get the indentation error. So I removed the two errors, other errors are still there. So let's see how to do that. Here you will see the kernel option is there. Click on this. So you know that we already discussed in the first session. For this execution we are using the Python 3 kernel. So here you will get the two outputs, like restart the kernel and clear the outputs of the all the cell. So what it will happen, it will restart the kernel, and whatever the output you are seeing here, it will clear all the outputs. So let's see that. So I'm executing this restart kernel and clear the output. So it clear all the outputs. So suppose if I want to execute, I can click on particular cell and then I can execute the particular cell. So here you can see for those which is not executed, there are no numbers are available, right? This is just the statement or the code we have written. Once we executed, so this first statement I executed. So here you can see the number as the one. This is the second code I have executed, second cell I have executed. So here you can see the number as two. Suppose I'm executing this print y, then here you will get the number 3 and so on. So you will understand the execution code numbers also from what sequence it is executing. So this is the one way to restart the kernel, just to clear all the output. Then we can restart the kernel and run up to selected cells. So let's click on that. Let's restart the kernel. So here you can see it is executed the first cell. So it is executing whatever the selected cell it is executing after restarting the kernel. The third option is restart the kernel and run all the cells. Suppose I want to execute all the cells whatever I have written, then you can just click on the restart kernel and run all the cell. Let's do that. Once you click on the restart kernel and run all the selected cell, you can observe one thing. It is stopping after the first error because after the error when it got, it will not execute the further statement. Let me make the changes here. For example, here I'm making these changes and let me save this. Now we are not getting error, so I'm performing these actions again. So restart kernel and run all the cells. So restart. So now you can see it is executed till this fifth cell, because for the second and this third we are not get any error, so it is executed. For the fifth cell we got the type error, so it is not executed further. So there are these different options available to restart the kernel and rerun your script again and rerun your code again. So this will be very useful during your Python execution. So just make sure you note that all those things. So thank you for watching this video till the end and hope this is useful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you once again and have a nice day.